Actually, the query is he wants to insert. Actually, I'm asking you, how can it be done? He wants to insert for every name. He wants to insert 3 rows like this. Like this means I will show you. Like this for every row, for every name under the every one name you have. He wants to insert 3 rows blank. Can you suggest me, Mr. Ravi? Will you able
I'm
to
not
do
sure.
it? Yes. Now, yes. Go ahead. I'm waiting for your answer. Ravi, I'm waiting for your answers. Mr. Ravi. Okay, leave it on. Okay. I think some problem with that. Okay. See, he wants to insert n number of rows. It may be 2 or 3 or 5 or 7. It how what you say, how many your wish. It depends
Sir,
on your yes.
hello.
I think yes. You I can hear you, Ravi. Go ahead.
I'm audible?
Yes.
Okay, so user wants to add n number
Insert
of row.
yes. You want to insert n number of rows. Can you guess how can it be done?
Hmm.
Because he's having more than nearly 100 or 1000 plus records are there. He wants to insert because he's taking so much time to insert. He wants to go over there and again he has to do and again he has to control plus again he has to go doing like this. Okay.
Hmm. Okay.
Can I explain?
Actually, sir, I'm learning from you. That's why I
No.
attend your session.
It's very easy. See one thing. First of all, the names are there. Insert one new row over here. If it is like this, insert a new row. Okay, simple. Insert a new row. Move aside. 1 minute. And make a serial number. Simple logic. Make a serial number. 1. Select and press control. Click on control and press, hold it and double click. Sorry. You have to drag like this. Okay.
Yeah.
We'll do like we'll do like this. And other than that, 1, 2. So it will go still end. Okay.
By
Now,
pressing control, we need to drag it.
yes, for control you will have to drag it. I thought it will work with double click, but
Hmm.
it's not working. I thought that
Yeah.
one. See,
Okay.
if you want to insert 2 rows, okay, if you want to insert 2 rows, what you will do? Just copy the serial number as it is, how it may be. Control C, come to end of this. Control V, one time is over. Control V, two
That
times is over.
method I know, sir. That
Well,
method.
then why what I'm asking you? Did you know that one means you are said nothing?
So,
I'm learning
sir,
from you.
I was thinking that
Mhm.
you are asking by a formula. So that method I
Yes,
am no, sir.
but formula also we can do. That's not a big issue. You can,
Hmm.
but it is done
But
by
but
VBA.
but yeah, sir, that I know. But sir, if we want to add 10 rows, so we have to
Copy
copy and
paste 10 times.
10 times. Yes, sir.
Yes. That is right. That is right.
Yeah.
But we can't do anything. Only this is the logic is there.
Oh,
As per my knowledge, only this is the
hmm.
logic. Copy
Okay.
how many blanks you want. Copy that many serial numbers. Just sort
Hmm.
it.
So that method I know, sir, because I
That's
have
not
seen
a
a
so.
video on YouTube earlier.
Only just.
Yeah. After
Yes.
that, we have to short it.
Yes, that's it.
Hmm.
You are right. You said right. If it is 10 times, you have to copy and paste 10 times.
Yeah.
If it is more than 10 times, we can't do anything. But I will try to solve it with alternative methods
Hmm.
as early as
Hmm.
possible. Because only with VBA it can be done. Because we are asking Excel to do this work. Okay, you do one
Okay.
thing. Why don't you record a macro for this?
To add a row.
Huh?
So, sir,
Yes, yes.
in, okay, let me tell you. When we are going to write a macro for this, we will take a input from user. How many rows user want to add? So we will run a loop till that number. If suppose
Yes,
user is
then after that we will go to VBA code and we will edit that number. How many times we need? Just edit it.
no,
Is it possible? Yes, yes.
I'm saying that suppose we will take the input from user how many rows you want to add. So we will
Yes,
take a input from user and suppose we will then we store that input into the variable and we will run the loop for
macro.
the for
Yes,
that
yes, yes.
variable.
Yes, yes. Right, 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 right.
Okay,
Exactly.
and I will write a code for that and I will try to write. Okay.
Okay, you do one thing. You write the code and please let me know also.
Okay, so I will
Actually, it may be
personally ping
no, no.
you.
Actually, it is a small code only, not that much big code. I think so.
Mm-hmm.
Because we are saying that insert only n number of rows. We have to mention n is equal to 2, insert that many times.
Yes, sir. Okay.
It may be I am thinking so. I am not perfect in VBA. I am thinking so like that.
I'm not also perfect, sir. I am. That is why I'm in touch with you to learn things from you.
No one is perfect. Like, okay, everyone is having some knowledge. Okay, like now today actually I like to show you another code also. That code simply I'm typing simply like this. Okay, so if it is 1,000 or 15, 20 are there, suppose think. So you want to merge it in single column in different ways. Okay, like this he wants to merge. Okay, I have to write a big code for this. Mm. It has to come down. Okay, I have to write big code. It will be like this, guys. F2. I'll show you. It will look like this. Okay. The person wants it should be next to what you say next row like this.
So
Okay.
for that we have to use Alt Enter for each line.
Yes. But if the person is having more than that, how can it be done? For each and everything, he
Sorry.
has to go. If the person is having more data, so each and every time he has to go over there and he has to edit it and he has to press Alt Enter.
Yes.
So just I'll try to show you. Control H, comma.
So you are going. I know that method also. You will use Control H. Then you will use find and replace. You will find a space and replace it with the semicolon.
Not semicolon, Control J.
Oh, sorry, Control J. I forget that.
Yes, you are right. You are right.
Yeah.
You are 100% right. You are.
Sir,
Mm.
sir, after this video chat, I want to connect with you.
Personally,
Yeah, sir.
okay, it's already over. Just I'm stopping my record. You can
Hmm.
continue with this. Wait a minute. I'll stop
Hmm.
this record.
Hmm.